Okay, I think we're back. I'm not sure. Okay, I'm sure. Okay, so section 5.5 GCC. We extract our GCC folder and let's go into it. Remember, jump inside and for at least the last, let's say, 5, I don't know, LFS 7.3, I do remember MPFR being in there. But these have been around. These are not new. These packages have been around for at least LFS 7.3. I think it was 7.3. Okay, until now. So we need to install these. tar x. Okay, let's say move MPFR to MPFR. tar xvf. No V, no verbose. Keep it quiet. GMP. Move GMP to GMP. Okay. And let's see, tar xvf MPC. MPC. Move MPC to MPC. Okay. Cool. Now our GCC configure. For file in. That's just a new line. Jump down and we'll say find GCC /CON. Okay, now watch. If I hit the tab, tab, it will autocomplete. Okay? And it will autocomplete because something in your directory is named that. Okay, Linux 64.h. -O. I didn't swallow a fly, but I do need to cough. Linux .h -O -name system v4.h. Check your syntax. It's very important. Anything can happen. Your comma could be a dot and you're screwed. Find gcc config -name Linux 64.h -O -name. And it looks good. Okay. Do copy uv $file encapsulate comma dot orig sed e s. We want to replace lib escape out 64 question 32. Okay. LD with tools end at G. Check it. Good. And I'm just going to line these up because it's a little easier to just briefly look at it than actually go over the entire syntax. Place user with at, let's say, tools G. Okay. Now, when I briefly look at it, if I keep them lined up, I can say B over R in user. And I can go up here, I can see B over R in user. Cool. And over here, I can say, I don't know, what do you call that? Parentheses over, that's a dumb thing to say. About question over at. And you look up here and you will see the same thing. Okay? File dot orig into $file. Okay, GRE. Okay, looks good. Okay. Echo. It's a single quote. Undefined. Standard. Start file. Underscore. Prefix underscore 1. Undefined. Standard. Start file. Underscore prefix underscore 2. Define. Standard. Underscore start file. Underscore prefix underscore 1 space double jump inside tools. If I hit tab, let's see, because that's a tools directory, it is located there. Tab is a good way to steer. That way you're not making things in directories that they are not even found in. Define standard underscore start file underscore prefix underscore 2 double single space echoed into $file. Okay, and we need to say touch $file.orig. Done. Okay, your output should be something like that. Okay. GCC doesn't detect stack protection correctly. Yeah, no shit. Which causes a problem for build in glibc 2.21. So fix that by issuing the following command. Or a sed statement here. We say sed I k prot with a GCC underscore cv underscore lib c provides underscore ssp stack protection equals yes. Okay, take out that / space in GCC. If I hit tab, there is a directory under GCC. If I push con and then tab, how about F? Config u tab. Okay, use your tab. Okay, now we can say make or build directory. Make dir verbose backup GCC. I hit tab there and it auto completed, but I'll say GCC build. Okay, I want to CD up into GCC build, and now I'm going to run the GCC configure script right here. Configure target equals $LFS underscore target prefix equals tools with sysroot equals $LFS with new lib without headers with local prefix equals tools with native system header dir equals tools include. Okay, you may see my screen blink from time to time. That's me hitting tab, hoping to get lucky. Disable NLS. Disable shared. Disable multi-lib. Disable decimal float. Disable lib atomic. Atomic. Disable lib GOMP. Where's the threads? Decimal float. Disable lib atomic. Okay. Just the threads. Disable shared. Multi-lib. Disable decimal float. Disable threads. Disable threads. Disable lib ITM. Disable lib quad math. Disable lib sanitizer. Sanitizer. Sometimes you forget how to spell when you're going cross-eyed looking at this shit. Okay. Disable lib SSP. Disable lib VTV. Disable lib Silkurtz. I don't know what that is. disable lib standard C++ version 3 and enable languages equals C and C++. There we go. GCC's configure scripts are nuts. Okay, a lot of said statements. Very long. That's just how they are. For this time anyway. You know how much stuff we ticked off as far as disabled, okay? Because we're only building minimal functionality for right now. Okay, so that's cool. I'm going to say make, and I can string this together. Always look ahead, make sure you can say make and make install. Sometimes you have to say make prefix equals user, or something else like that, and you don't want to script your system by doing it. Make install, there you go. So next is our Linux API headers. It's actually inside of our Linux kernel. We have to extract the whole kernel, just build the headers, and then throw away the kernel until we're ready for it later on. This GCC build from me with an SBU time of 5.9 SBUs. I'm going to say at 5 to 1, what is that? What's 60? 30 minutes, half hour plus. Okay? So that's how long it's going to take me to build this. I'm going to cut the video, and I'll catch you in the next one.